to see you. Welcome to our class. Because there are two halves of it. The first leaf, and we already discovered where the seed is.
Welcome, come on in.
Awesome job. Awesome job. Awesome job.
Talk about solutions.
Yeah.
Solutions. That's
We
what
can make it better.
you're really a backbone for our school. Good morning, all. We want to give a shout out this morning to our 8th graders who are graduating. You have been successful, you have potential, and take it with you. You have so much resilience to come through 2021. I am so proud of all of you. Yay!
Come on in. Yeah, well, Hawaiian is an island, right? So there's lots of beaches, totally surrounded by water. What might be their mission in Hawaii? Jack and Annie never promise you a place where there's no problems, right? There's always something that's going to happen. So everyone say aloha.
Aloha. Alison, ¿qué color? Morado. Amiguita morado. Mi amiguito color rojo. ¿Sí? Ok, vamos a ver acá, chicos. Ponen el número 2. Gracias. Ok, mi amiguito. Excelente. ¿Tú lo puedes contar para mí en inglés, por favor?
Can I keep touching it? What else do you notice about the clay? If you don't make a creature today, that's okay, but just try.